being a boater, you're always scared of wood in the river, I guess.
The places where we paddle now, wood has been removed from a lot of those places. We're seeing restoration efforts to restore some of that wood back to rivers.
Paddling is it's a big part of the community and the economy. These projects they will impact and change the way the rivers are used.
But ultimately, I think we all want an adaptable ecosystem that is better able to cope with climatic changes and extreme events that we're seeing happen more and more often.
Wood in rivers is a complicated issue. It can be extremely dangerous to boaters, as well as part of the natural playground they love. Wood is also critical for the health of these rivers and for the survival of other species like endangered salmon and bull trout.
Well, are we just gonna let salmon die on our watch because we didn't try stuff?
So there's groups working to put more wood back into rivers. But how do these sometimes conflicting uses of our rivers come together? How do we restore rivers, undoing damage we've inflicted upon them, and also support the boating community who deeply knows and loves rivers?
Wood can be a hazard on rivers. It's important.
This is Tom O'Keefe. He's worked for American Whitewater for decades, a nonprofit that helps to restore free-flowing rivers and also help paddlers access them.
There's a lot of wood in river that is not a hazard. The important thing for paddlers is to learn how to react to wood in a safe way, recognize that not all wood's a hazard, but it's also important fish habitat.
And the fish, especially salmon, need help.
Well, we're at the Lower Peshastin Creek Restoration Project.
This is Aaron Rosenblum. He's with Cascade Fisheries, a salmon recovery group. And Peshastin Creek is here in central Washington state. It's a smaller tributary of the Wenatchee River, which joins with the Columbia River not far downstream. The region is a really popular destination for paddling, and also a top priority for salmon restoration.
Peshastin Creek is a really important spot for our endangered species in the Wenatchee watershed. 3 of our endangered species, spring chinook, bull trout, and steelhead, use Peshastin Creek. It is especially important for steelhead and bull trout.
In addition to the fish, Peshastin Creek is also loved and used by local boaters.
With Peshastin Creek, I mean, you drive up along it all the time on 97. So you sort of look at it as you're driving along and say, yeah, I could do that. It just I like smaller streams, and Peshastin is close to town and fits that bill,
The Peshastin was something that I had heard about when I first started kayaking this area as being something that I needed to work up to. And then it's really fun now because now I see it as just a playground.
Kind of like that lower 5 miles of Peshastin feels like sort of non-threatening, although still have to pay attention, still fast and all that. So it's a little bit of a challenge there, but not something I'm gonna be scared on.
Yeah, so part of our projects is putting wood back into these river systems.
Many of the rivers that we paddle have been deprived of wood over decades of modification that have happened to rivers.
Pretty much anywhere in the Pacific Northwest, wood has been being taken out of rivers for 100 plus years.
This is primarily due to historic logging practices, where wood from higher in the watershed was transported on the rivers.
Sluice gates were opened to flood the stream beds, and thousands of pulpwood logs started the long trip downstream. Log drivers worked 15-hour days to get the logs moving and to keep them on their way. Sometimes, dynamite charges were placed under key logs to break up snags and jams. Obstructing boulders have been blasted, snags removed, and low banks blocked off. Generally, logging was done along several tributaries of a larger stream.
Along with those logs, went all the boulders, the islands, the natural wood accumulations, everything that makes a river a dynamic, wild place.
Now there's just really not any wood. Anywhere that there's developments or people use rivers, there's no wood at all anymore.
Right about the same time in history that all the wood was stripped from rivers, paddling got really popular. Most kayakers and rafters today began boating in rivers that were falsely clear of wood. But that wood is actually essential for ecosystem health, especially to the salmon. It can also make paddling rivers more fun. And now, at Peshastin Creek and many other rivers, wood is going back in.
About 50 years ago, part of the former channel was cut off when a road was put in. All of Peshastin Creek was put into essentially a fire hose of a ditch down in the canal. It never connected to its floodplain, even at really high flood flows. We're digging a new channel that's going to connect to that old existing channel. And when we're all done, Peshastin Creek will be at least partially back in that former channel that it was in.
So how does it feel to have a river you love drastically change?
Oh, I definitely did not like it. Yeah, I enjoy paddling out into the Wenatchee at the bottom, of course. It's just fun to come out of a small stream into a bigger river.
I'm honestly just happy to see the Peshastin get back to a more natural form. It's kind of cool just to see something happening like that in Washington that will take it back to a level that it was historically, at least in a small way. We can portage, we can get out and scout, it's okay. We're used to doing those types of things and taking the types of risks that we want to take and backing off from risk we don't want to take. To me, like, as bummed as I would be that I wouldn't be able to boat something that's right outside my door, it's also like I have a lot of options. Salmon don't.
The Cascade Fisheries team recognized the need to bring boaters into the restoration process. They invited them into the room, literally. At a local meeting, they shared upcoming plans to the river and how impact to the boaters was being mitigated. They also shared education as to why this wood is vital for the stream. They answered questions and began the process of listening.
I had a little appreciation after the meeting and everything of what you guys do and the passion everybody's bringing. So, and understood a bit more. Yeah, so it makes more sense to me now, I guess.
I think a lot of restoration practitioners essentially see recreational users as an obstacle to getting projects implemented on the ground. And I think sharing our common goals and often love of these ecosystems is the place to start from.
I think more than anything, as long as the word gets out before the restoration work is done, just to let people know that there will be new hazards is the main thing.
Rafters and kayakers, they usually have really deep connections with rivers and they want to protect and enhance them for the long run.
One of the things that I really think we can do more of is building trust between the restoration community and the paddling community. My experience is it's the whitewater paddlers, the fish biologists, and the tribal members who really understand the place and have connections to these places.
I also think there's tremendous opportunity for recreational users to be included in planning and designing restoration projects because river restoration work, at least in runnable rivers, could have a recreational component that could help build advocates and potentially bring in other funding sources.
Paddling it's a big part of the community and the economy. We're all river users, and in the end we all, I think, are working towards the same goals of wanting to have healthy, accessible rivers. And we think there's a potential alliance between whitewater paddlers and river restoration practitioners.
I was born in the river one day, watch me clean and cold. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. I was born in the mountain air, it shook me to its peaks. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the mountains had its say. Oh Lord, I won't come home, I won't come home to play. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. I was born in the earth by hand, plucked out like a fruit. And oh Lord, I won't come home till the seed becomes a tree. I was born in the ocean's depths, made my way up the air. And oh Lord, I won't come home till I'm one with these old seas. No, Lord, I won't come home, I won't come home to play. Oh, Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh, Lord, I won't come home, I won't come home to play. Oh, Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. 'Cause I was born in the river one day, wash me clean and cold. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend.